Alright, today's video is a 2010 Kia Forte, and we're going to go ahead and replace the brake light slash tail light since it functions for both. Now, I'm going to place the camera over here in the back. You'll see this little trim panel piece. No tools required, as far as moving that out of the way. And see this upper one, that's where our bulb is going to be. I'm going to use these needle nose pliers to turn it because I can't really get good grip on it. So I'm going to use these to help me a little bit. So see, got that out. So these bulbs are twist and lock. I call them that. I don't know if that's the actual term. But essentially you can just push down and turn it and it should come off. You will struggle here and there. Not the biggest deal, but you just wiggle it and it'll come off, see? Now, making sure there's nothing burnt on the connector, I'm going to go ahead and put the new one in. And when you do put it in, if you don't have gloves, maybe use a clean rag to hold the bulb and put it in its spot. Now making sure that it's working. So that's fine. But yeah, as I was saying, you don't want to touch the bulb with your bare hands, as greasy fingers can create excessive heat and then the bulb will burn out much quicker. So now that I've verified that that's working, I'm going to go ahead and put it back in its spot. And again, it just goes in and it twists and locks. Will you need needle nose pliers? I'm not sure, but some people will be able to do it without, and some people may need some sort of pliers just to get it back in there. So now I've locked it. I twisted it back and forth. See? Just making sure that it's on there tight. I'm going to go ahead and put the cover back on, and that's it. It's as easy as it gets. Ta-da! But yeah, thanks for watching.